Hi everyone, today we are going to be looking at Amazon SNS. SNS is simple notification service. In my last video, I showed you guys how you can provision Amazon managed workflows for Apache Airflow, and I gave you a demonstration. In another video that I'm going to be launching out very soon, we are going to be creating a data pipeline which we are going to orchestrate using this MWAA. And as part of the task in that data pipeline, we're going to be having SNS. And that is why I want to take some time in the next couple of 3 videos or so to explain what SNS is and also give you guys some demonstration of using SNS. Okay, now let's come back to this. SNS is a managed service that provides message delivery from publishers to subscribers, meaning you can have an application publishing or sending a message, okay, and then you can have a subscriber, which are the consumers. They will be at the receiving end of that message. Don't worry, we are going to be looking at a very basic example today. Okay, now it says publishers communicate asynchronously with subscribers by sending messages to a topic. We are going to be seeing that today. So what is really happening is that, let's assume this is an application right here. So this application, let's say data application that is generating or transforming data, and it is producing an S3 file. Okay, so let's say whenever it produces the S3 file and whenever it produces the file inside the S3 bucket, it sends out a message, okay, to the SNS topic, which is going to be inside this Amazon SNS. Okay, now what happens is that it may send a message to this SNS topic that the data is available. Okay, now you need a downstream task or a downstream team, okay, who are going to be the subscribers. They are going to subscribe to this SNS topic, meaning that anytime you publish any message to this topic, they are going to receive it and be alerted that a message is inside that topic. Okay, now who are the clients that can subscribe to this Amazon SNS topic, or what kind of clients can receive those published messages? Okay, so we can have Amazon Data Firehose, we can have Amazon SQS, you can use an AWS Lambda to receive that topic and do whatever thing that needs to be done from the receiver side. It could be HTTP, it could be email, okay, and what have you. In today's video, we are going to be exploring email, okay, and that is what is happening right here, guys. This is an application that is publishing a message. The message could be something as simple as your data is available, and that is going to be published inside this SNS topic. So there will be subscribers. It could be any of these and it could be any of these, okay, that will then receive that message that is in the SNS topic. And then this downstream team or task, they can then do whatever thing they need to do based on the message they have received from this SNS topic. Okay, this publisher could be a data engineering team, and the subscribers could be maybe a data science team that needs the data that is being sent out or that is being put inside the S3 bucket by this data engineering team. So meaning that when the file is available in the S3 bucket, the data engineers can send a notification that data is available in the S3 bucket. So when the subscribers get notified, then they can act on that. Okay, you can see this Firehose also can connect to different other things right there. So guys, that's a very simple and easy explanation for SNS, and I hope you get that right now. Let us look at an example of that. So if you go to your AWS account, you can just type in, so when you sign in, and then just type in, and then you can just type SNS. When you sign in, type SNS, Then you can see simple notification service. I can open this in a new tab. Okay, so now what you can do is, if you look at this view right here, it says a topic is a message channel. When you publish a message to a topic, it fans out the message to all subscribed endpoints. So like I said, those endpoints could be SQS, it could be Lambda, it could be HTTPS, it could be email, right? Whatever. Okay, so let me give my topic a name. So let's say I'm in a team that is called Spider. Let's say I have a team that is called Spider. So I say Spider data availability notification. That is my topic name. Then I can say next. So now let us go ahead to create the topic. You can see the name I gave the topic is right here. Okay, now he's asking me for more details. That what kind of topic am I talking about? Is it FIFO, first in, first out? You can see this one says strictly preserved message ordering. So that means this is going to preserve the message ordering. Okay, if I send the first message, second message, third message, is going to preserve that. It's going to preserve that ordering. And this subscription protocol, this is mostly used for SQS. Okay, but standard right here, you can see it as SQS, Lambda, data firehose, HTTP, email, SMS. So this is what we are going to be using right now. Okay, and then what name do I want it to display? It says it's optional, but I can just copy this same name. Okay, we're going to keep things very simple. Okay, you can see all these ones says optional, but let's just look at what this is saying. It says Amazon SNS provides in-transit encryption by default. So that means there is a default to the data we are sending already. I mean, there is an encryption rather by default to the data that we are sending. Okay, so enabling server-side encryption adds at-rest encryption to your topic. So let's say you are really keen about your data. Let's say it's some PII data, which is personally identifiable information. So let's say social security or date of birth, and you really don't want such information to leak out at all. So you want to really make sure that you really encrypt it. Then you can maybe say, okay, you want to really add more encryption to it, then you can do that. But overall, Amazon is already doing a great job by encrypting this for us. Then access policy right here. Already there is a basic access policy right here. You can see whatever we change right here is going to be showing right here. Okay, and yes, it's saying that the publishers specify who can publish messages to the topic. Only the topic owner, right? So you can say only the topic owner, which is me, that I'm doing this, or you could say everyone. If you say everyone, you can see that this is changing, this policy is changing right here. Or if you say only specified AWS accounts. So in this case, I can say I want 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 to be able to push messages to this topic. I can say 4, 5, 8, 9, just 4, 5, 8, 7, just for example. You can see that as I enter that, it's also updating this policy right here for us. You can see the account number I just entered. Okay, but in the case of today's video, we're going to be having only the topic owner. Okay, now who are the subscribers that you also want, that you want to specify to be able to subscribe to this topic? In this video, I'm just going to say only the topic owner, which is me. However, you could say everyone, right? And that's going to update this policy here, which of course we don't want that. You could also say only specified account, and then you can type it right there like I did previously. But in today's video is going to be only the topic owner. Okay, data protection policy, you can also check out this. You might probably want to add some configurations to protect your data also more, right? And then, but we're not going to do that. Delivery policy, in this case, you want to set how many number of retries. You can see Amazon already has a standard. So what is the number of retry? If it fails, if the message fails, that is, if it doesn't get to the subscriber How many times do you want it to retry? What is the minimum and maximum delay that you want to give it before it retries? Okay, so like this, the number of retry is 3, so I can say every 20 seconds retry. Okay, so that is that about that. I hope you guys get that. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now, where you can get more videos that relates to data. Okay, and also please share this video among your friends and among your colleagues. Okay, and also like this video and put your comment, or if you have any question, put that in the comment section below. But do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Okay, very good. Now, in terms of delivery status login, you can also decide what kind of delivery status login you want in terms of the protocols. Okay, you can select AWS Lambda, Amazon SQLs, and what have you. But in today's video, I'm just going to leave that blank, because using this also is going to incur some costs. Okay, because it's going to be using the CloudWatch logs. Okay, then tags, I don't need tags. Okay, active tracing, let's leave that. So now we already know that we are using standard, and then this is the name of our topic. Okay, Spider data availability notification. Spider is the name of our team. Okay, our data team. So I'll create topic. I think there is a, okay, it says the topic name must be maximum 256 characters long, including hyphens. Okay, I think it probably doesn't want the space. Let us take a look at that. Probably doesn't want the space. Let's try this. Create topic. Okay, very good. Now you can see, guys, that we have created the topic. You can create subscriptions and send messages to them from this topic. Okay, so now we are not going to create any message yet. Okay, so let's just take this out. Now, what that means is that I, as a data team, have created a topic, and every time my pipeline runs, there will be a message that will be sent to this topic. Okay, now I want the other team to be able to subscribe to this topic. Okay, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be doing both myself. So I'll come to subscription. When I come to subscription right here, then I can subscribe to that. Okay, now in this, if I click create subscription, it's going to ask me for the topic ARN. ARN is Amazon resource number. Remember that if I go back to my topic, this is the topic that we just created. If I select this or just click on it, you can see there is an ARN number. Okay, I can copy this, or I could even come to subscription right here. I can say create subscription, and then come right here. I know the subscription, I know the ARN already, right? This is the only one I have right here. Okay, I can select this. Okay, even also, if you want, you can create this subscription from the topic itself, like this topic right here. You can just come here and create the subscription directly from here. Okay, but I'll continue with the way I was doing it before. So subscription, I come right here, then I would say which topic do I want to subscribe to. I want to subscribe to this topic. That means that anytime any message is sent to this topic, I want to be able to receive such messages. Okay, now what protocol do I want to use? So I need to select, like I said in this video, I'm going to be using email. However, I can decide to use data firehost, SQS, Lambda, image JSON, HTTPS, and what have you. You can see all the different protocol that is being supported right now by AWS. So depending on your project, depending on what you are working on, that is what will determine the protocol that you want to select. Okay, I hope you guys are getting that. So I will select email. Now I want to put the endpoint. What email do I want to send? Do I want to receive the message on? So I will say topplespectra@gmail.com. okay, so now I have this. it says after your subscription is created, you must confirm it. Okay, so that means that whenever message is sent to this topic, I'm going to be receiving email on my hand right here in this email address. Okay, so now let's look at subscription filter policy. So this one says this policy filters the message that a subscriber receives. Yeah, what this is just saying is that we're not going to do this right now. What this is just saying is that any message that is sent to this topic, I can decide to still filter the message some more, okay, depending on the data or depending on different attributes. We are going to be seeing that also some other times when we want to create more complex projects. Okay, so this one I will just take this out, I'll just turn it off. Then redrive policy, this one also we will talk about this some more next time. Okay, so now let us create this subscription. So now guys, you can see I have created this subscription right here. Let me close that, and then let's refresh this. Let's refresh this. So this is my topic, this is the subscription. Let us come back to subscription right here. So now you can see I click these subscriptions. Now this is my subscription. Now it is saying that it's pending confirmation. Where is the endpoint? This endpoint. That means I need to go to my email and confirm that that I want to be receiving message from that topic, from this topic right here. Okay, what I can do is I can check this and type and click on confirm subscription. You can see it says enter the subscription confirmation email. It wants me to enter the subscription confirmation email, but that is going to be in my email address that I provided right here. So let me go to my email. Okay, I'm going to drag it from my other computer and then I will bring it right here. Now, very good. You can see I have that email. You can see just 1 minute ago. You can see what I have. Don't worry about this. This was what I used previously when I was testing it. Okay, you can see this is coming from the AWS notification service. It's subscription confirmation. So now it wants me to confirm this. So you say you have chosen to subscribe to this topic. So what that means is that I can copy this, okay, and then place it on that and bring it right here. When I say confirm subscription, I can paste it here. Okay, if I paste it here, oh, that's not let me copy it again. Let me bring it back. So I need to copy this. Okay, when I copy that, I'm going to paste it here and then I'll click confirm subscription. Another thing you can also do is that this is how the email is going to come in. It's also saying that to confirm the subscription, click or visit the link below. So I can as well decide to click this confirm subscription. If I click this also, it's going to work, and I'm going to do that for you here. So let me first of all cancel out of this so that I can click on this one right here. Okay, so I'll say confirm subscription. Now you can see it says you have successfully subscribed, and this is my subscription ID right here. You can see that spider data availability. If I want to unsubscribe, I can click here to unsubscribe. Okay, so now if you come right here now, if I refresh this page, remember before it was saying pending confirmation, right? So let me refresh so that you can see what's going on. I'm going to refresh. Very good, guys. You can see now it says confirmed. That means I have confirmed that I actually want to be receiving messages from this topic. Okay, very good, guys. So now the next thing we want to do right now, guys, is let us test it if truly I am going to be receiving any messages from that topic. Okay, so let me go to this topic. let's just test it. Let's assume that there is an application that wants to send message to this topic. So let me check this. So let me come right here and say publish message. Okay, and then I want to give my message a name. Take note, normally by the time we are going to be doing our data pipeline, wherein we are going to be orchestrating the pipeline with Airflow and sending out messages when we are running the data, we are going to be doing all these things. We are going to be sending out we are going to be publishing the message to the topic programmatically. Okay, but for now we are just going to test it if it's working, so that you guys can understand what's going on. So let us give our email. Let's give the email subject a name. Okay, let's give it that name, and then time to leave. It says this setting applies only to mobile application endpoints. Okay, so we don't need to do that. And then let us give our message body. Let us type our message body. Okay, so I can just say, I'll just copy and paste what I want to put right there. So I can just say hello, data with dataset dates. This is not available for consumption. Okay, you can see, very simple thing. So now I want to notify them that this data for this date is not available for consumption. Okay, another thing that I quickly want to talk about is there is also a custom payload right here. It says different payloads are sent to endpoints subscribed to the topic based on their delivery protocol. So meaning that you could have a custom payload. If I click this, so that means if let's assume any message I send to the topic will be consumed by multiple protocols. So I can say, okay, if you're an email, this should be the message you are going to receive. If it's SQS, this is the message. If it is Lambda, this is the message you are going to be receiving. You know, that way you are customizing it based on the consumers. Okay, and it goes on and on like that. But in the case of this, we're going to be just using a case whereby the same payload is sent to endpoint subscribed to the topic regardless of your delivery protocol. So that means regardless if you are SMS or you are Lambda or SQS or email, you are getting the same thing. And that is what I am doing right here. Okay, so this one is message attributes. Yeah, we're not going to be using this right now. Okay, so this one also has its own feature. Okay, so now our message is done. We've typed that, and then we want to publish. So what we expect is that when we publish this, it's going to be published to this topic. Remember this topic, and remember that we have also subscribed to this topic. So that means any message sent to this topic should be sent to our email, because the protocol that we are using in this video is email. So we should get that in our email, right? Take note, guys, if you don't get these things in your email, please check your spam. Okay, check your spam folder if you don't get the confirmation email in your inbox. Okay, so let me click this now, publish message. Very good. You can see that it says publish message to topic days, message ID, request ID. So it is published right now. So all I need to do now is to go back to my email and check the message. Okay, let us go to our email. I'm going to bring it from the other screen. I've opened it right there. I will bring it right here. You can see 0 minutes ago. You can see spider data availability notification. Remember, that is the name of our topic. So it says hello, data with dataset days is not available for consumption. You can see that, guys. If you wish to stop receiving notifications from this topic, please click or visit the link to unsubscribe. So if you want to unsubscribe, you can do that. Now, guys, you can see how we are able to provision SNS topic, and then also we subscribed to that topic, and then we now sent a message to that topic, which eventually was received by our email address that we provided when we were subscribing to that topic. Guys, now you see how this is working, right? We are still going to be using this in our data pipeline. But of course, before we also do that, we are also still going to be integrating SNS to SQS as well in another video. Also, in another video, we are going to be looking at how to send SNS notification whenever a file is uploaded to S3 bucket, because all these things are going to be needed whenever you are creating a complex data pipeline, in which case you have different teams that also depends on your own team or your own data pipeline. Okay, guys. Hey, guys, one other thing I want to remind you of is that whenever you are done with this project, please do not forget to delete these services from your account. Okay, if you're not using it, delete the topic and delete your subscription to that as well. Okay, that way you don't get charged for it. Okay, all right, guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Also, do not forget to like this video, because the more you do that, the more we are motivated to make more videos for you. And do not forget to comment in the comment section below and ask your questions. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.